victog.official.
Next question is, show that cosec minus sin A into sec minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. 1 by tan A plus cot A. This is the question. Starting with LHS. LHS is equal to cosec minus sin A into sec A minus cos A. Cosec A means the reciprocal of sine. So instead of cosec A, we can write 1 by sin A minus sin A into, similarly, sec A is the reciprocal of cos A, and so instead of sec A, we can write 1 by cos A minus cos A. Taking the LCM and cross multiplying, here the LCM is sin A. 1 minus cross multiplying sin A into sin A, it is sin square A. Similarly, in the next bracket, LCM is cos A. Numerator becomes 1 minus cos A into cos A is cos square A. 1 minus cos square A. What is 1 minus sin square A? So suddenly remember the identity 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. Cos square A by sin A into, what is 1 minus cos square A? 1 minus cos square A is sin square A divided by cos A. Now, we can cancel 1 cos A from the denominator and 1 cos A from the numerator. So, the remaining is cos A into, here also from the denominator of the first fraction 1 sin A and from the numerator of the second fraction 1 sin A get cancelled. Sin A, 1 sin A get cancelled, the remaining is sin A. So, on simplifying the LHS, we are arriving a result cos A into sin A. There is no further simplification or calculation is not possible there. So, we are taking the LHS also. If you are getting the same result as on simplification of the RHS also, we can conclude that LHS is equal to RHS. On simplifying, we are getting the result of the LHS as cos A into sin A. Now, we are taking the RHS. RHS is equal to 1 divided by tan A plus cot A. Tan A plus cot A. This is equal to, we can write it as 1 divided by, we are using the symbol of the division, 1 divided by tan A. What is tan A? It is sin A by cos A. Remember the next identity, tan A is equal to sin A by cos A plus, what is cot A? It is cos A by sin A. Cos A by sin A. Since cot A is the reciprocal of tan A, if tan A is equal to sin A by cos A, then obviously cot A will be cos A by sin A. This is equal to 1 divided by, here we have to use the law of addition of fractions. Taking the LCM, it is sin A into cos A or cos A into sin A. Cos A into sin A. Now, we have to cross multiply. Sin A into sin A is sin square A plus cos A into cos A is cos square A. RHS is equal to 1 divided by, what is sin square A plus cos square A? Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Remember the identity, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. We have to use the identity here. The value of sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So, it is 1 divided by cos A into sin A. Cos A into sin A. This is equal to, we have to divide 1 by cos A sin A. 1 divided by 1 by cos A sin A. What is the rule of the division? We have to multiply with the reciprocal. That means 1 into cos A into sin A divided by 1. 1 cancelled, and the result is cos A sin A. See the two results. On simplifying the LHS, we arrived on the result that it is cos A sin A. On simplifying the RHS also, we got the same result cos A sin A. That means LHS is equal to RHS. That is LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Here is the method of simplification. We are not getting directly LHS as the value of the RHS. We are not getting direct value. So, we are simplifying the LHS and we arrived on a result cos A into sin A. Then took the RHS. On simplifying the RHS also, we are getting the same result cos A into sin A. That means LHS is equal to RHS and hence proved the result. Okay.